Hello student, once again welcome to our lecture series Geographical Thought of MA/MSc Geography second year. So some previous lecture we have learned about Greek geographer, Roman geographer, Indian geographer as well as American geographer and German geographers. So today we are going to learn about British geographers, how the British contributed to the subject of geographical thought. So let's begin to our new lecture. Our first British geographer is Sir Halford John Mackinder. He was born in 15 February 1861. Mackinder was an English geographer. He is the founder of British School of Geography, and he was English geographer and politician also, who is regarded as one of the founding father of both geopolitics and geostrategy. From 1923, he was a professor of geography and the London School of Economics. He was a strong proponent of treating both physical and human geography. In 1887, he published on the scope of methods of geography, and then few months later he was appointed the leader in the geography at the University of Oxford. In 1892, he was the first principal of University Extension College. And then in 1893, he was one of the founder of Geographical Association, which promotes teaching of geography in a school. In 1902, he published the Britain and the British Sea, which include the first comprehensive geomorphology. In 1904, he formulated the concept of geographical pivot of history, which is also known as heartland theory. In 1904, Mackinder gave a paper on the geographical pivot of history, in which he formulated the heartland theory. In the heartland, they also referred to as the pivot area and as the core of Eurasia, and he considered all of Europe and Asia as the world Iceland. The pivot area is surrounded on all three sides by mountain as well as the snowy Arctic oceans. And he summarized his view of global strategy in the famous line, "Who rules East Europe commands the heartland, who rules the heartland commands the world Iceland." And last one is, "Who rules the world Iceland command the world." And Mackinder last major work was the 1943 article, "The Round World, the Winning of the Pace," in which he envisioned a past world Next one is L.D. Stamp. He was born in 1898 in Catford, London. Stamp was a professor of geography at Rangoon and London, and one of the internationally best known British geographer of 20th century, and he specialized in the study of geology and geography, and he directed the compilations and publication of the report of the land utilization and the survey land utilization survey of Britain, and he authored 30 books. So next one is Richard John Chorley. He was born in 4th September 1927. He was an English geographer and professor of geography at Cambridge University. His work on the statistical techniques and mathematical methods in geography analysis, and he also contributed to physical geomorphology and climatology, and he works with the Peter Haggett's. His main works is socioeconomics model in geography, then physical and information models in geography, and third one is integrated models in geography in 1969, and last one is frontiers in geographical techniques. And he also awarded the 1967 the Giles Memorial of the Royal Geographical Society for contribution to physical geography and quantitative studies. Then 1981 Honor Awards, Association of American Geographer. Then 1987 awarded the Patron Medal of the Royal Geographical Society, and last 1988 elected to the Council of the Royal Geographical Society. So next one is Peter Haggett. He was born in 24th January 1933. He was a British geographer and academic professor and a senior research fellow in urban and regional geography. And he's written the individual books. He's a locational analysis in human geography in 1965. And geography, a modern synthesis in 1975. Professor Haggett is noted for his significant research contribution to the field of human geography. Peter Haggett has researched and written on three scientific areas. First, on the nature of geography as a discipline and its contribution to human understanding of the earth, and this volume include the models in geography, modern synthesis. And a second area is on the quantitative methods in human geography and the central role of the locational analysis in research. So our next British geographer is Hugh Robert. Hugh Robert was born in 1861. He was a Scottish geographer and meteorologist. He was influenced by the Darwinia, environmentalism and morphological approaches, and his concept of physiography. And he wrote a book, Real of Nature, and he also prepared the rainfall map. And Hugh Robert was a president of Royal Meteorological Society and president of Geographical Association in 1932. Next one is David Harvey. He was born in 31st October 1935, and he is written his work social justice and the social justice and the city. It is a main work of David Harvey. He was an economic geographer and written also economic geography. He is completed in a PhD in geography, University of Cambridge in 1961, and Harvey has authored many books and essays that have been prominent in the development of modern geography. So, my dear student, these geographers, find out the information about this geographer. This is work for you. I hope you understood about the British geographers. So all above geographers have contributed to the evolution of various branches of geography, like settlement geography, economic geography, agriculture geography, as well as climatology and human geography also. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you.